it out down there at Pullman. So I'm heading over here to Post Falls, hang out there for the weekend, and then load up Monday. I got over there to Missoula last night, went to bed. So man, I was about tired as shit. By the time I got over there, I felt like I had 100 pounds of sand in my head. I left there this morning before daylight. Come on over. And the reason why I'm coming from this side of Spokane is because I had to come out here to utility by the TA out here and get me a box of 21-inch bungee strap. Cause I like to use them 21s. They work out just right. But that's all I'm gonna do. But mess around this weekend. I don't know if I'll make a video or not. I guess I will if I got something to talk about. Oh, something else too. My boss man told me this morning I'm gonna be getting another truck when I get back. I know a lot of you like this long hood sticking out here, but I'm actually getting a 579 when I get back, which is fine with me. I mean, it's not a brand new truck, but it's it's one they already had. They got a few of them, but that's what I'm gonna be getting. I don't mind a 579. It's got a lot of room in it, a lot more than this does. But I know a lot of you like this hood sticking out here, and I do too. I ain't gonna lie about it, but a 579 will suit me just right. And I just responded back to a comment yesterday or day before. Someone said he gonna miss this hood like that if I get out of this truck. And I told him that they probably wasn't gonna buy nothing but 389s or you know. But I didn't know that we had any of them 579s left. I thought it was all, I thought they sold all of them, but I guess they didn't. So I apologize to all y'all that like the hood. But they fixing to sell this one, so. But we'll still do just as much riding in that 579 as we do this 389. I can guarantee you that. But yeah, that's what the news is. There's a hotel over here at Post Falls, right by the Flying J. I might go over there and give me a room one night this week just to get out of the damn truck. said, I don't mind a 579, but we still got a good bit more riding to do in this one before we get back. So it's gonna be a little while yet. I ain't gonna load it up till, like I said, probably about Monday. So that means I'll unload Thursday or Friday somewhere next week, and then I'll probably go home. I'll probably go home for the weekend just to have another little weekend off. Cause I don't need the weekend, but if it's there, might as well do it. Depends on where I'm going to Monday when I get loaded. My boss man tried his hardest to get me loaded today, but it didn't pan out, and which that's fine. You know, I'd already planned on laying over for the weekend anyway, so it didn't make me mad. Of course, I mean, it ain't gonna make me mad no way. I don't give a shit. If I got to lay over, I'd rather not lay over for a weekend, but if I got to, I got to. If I don't, I don't. It ain't no thing. And if you come in the truck and thinking you're gonna be off every weekend, ain't gonna happen, couldn't. Sometimes you will, sometimes you won't. But I'd rather be rolling, but if I got to hang out for a weekend, cause you know, that's fine. Ain't shit else to do right now, so. They got a truck wash over here in Post Falls. I might get in it. Well, no, I won't, because ain't gonna do no good to get a truck washed up here, especially if I might have to go back through some shit. Be wasting money for nothing. Sure about that 579. It's a 13 speed. Got plenty of room in it, and I hope it's got a damn refrigerator in it. Because I plan on getting me a power inverter. I might get a microwave or something if it has a place for one, but I know for sure 100%. The first thing I'm gonna buy is a damn coffee pot. I miss having my coffee pot on the truck. As much coffee as I drink, shit. I spend a lot of money just in coffee. Well, I mean, it's usually my points. But when I get fuel, well, I mean, I'm on platinum status anyway. On Love, so I get free refills and shit, but if it was actual money I'd be spending, I'd have to spend on it, that'd be a lot of damn money spent. Because when I first started making these videos for that other company, I was in that Mac, and it had outlets and all that shit in it. You know, a Mac ain't nothing but a Volvo, pretty much. And the Macs and Volvos, you know, they got the power outlets in them and the big inverters and all that shit. But I'm gonna have one in here. Or not in here, but the other one. put my curtain up and kick back for the weekend. But I'll holler at y'all at the wow. Y'all be safe.